All right, here I am with Miss Shinbia, and today is 3rd May 2022, and she's here today, and she'll be performing a song uh, right after this, and I am inviting her to have dinner at our home as well today. So, just we are having a casual session right here, right now in our studio right here. So she'll be performing one of a song with a backing instrument track. Right, that's the title is.
One day at a time.
All right, the one day at a time. Okay, now she'll have performance.
Thank you. Okay. I will be singing One Day at a Time, Sweet Jesus by Marianne Bellina. I'm only human. I'm just a woman. Help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way, one day at a time. Do you remember when you walk among men? Well, Jesus, you know if you're looking below, it's worse now than then. Pushing and shouting, that's crowding my mind. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I God bless you all.
All right, that's Shinbia with a beautiful voice, right? Okay, now I'll be having my performance as well, and this performance I'm going to sing as "O Jerusalem" right here, right now. Just again, I'll just put on my track. Well, it's just one "O Jerusalem" shot. you know. Now that's with Miss Shinbia that we had just a performance. It was really a cool day today we had right here inside the studio. And also we'll jam around somewhere after this with some kind of acoustic guitar play and on the keyboard somewhere around there. Alright, thanks.
verir.